Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me once again. We're looking now at question number 5 here on the 2008 Cayley. The 5-digit number, 52,280 box, is a multiple of 6. Which digit is represented by the box? Okay, we've got some possibilities: 0, 3, 4, 6, and 8. Okay. So, there's sort of two ways you can go about doing this question. You can, I would say, well, it's multiple choice, and so we can exploit the fact that it's a multiple choice question, saying one of these answers is right, grab my calculator, just go 5228, and then we'll use the 0 here, and divide that by 6. And we get, well, not an integer, so it's not multiple of 6. And you could go 52283, and we divide it by 6. And no, it's not a multiple of 6. It's not even. Or we could go 52284 and divide by 6. And depending on how fast your fingers are, you'll be faster than me. And oh, that is an integer, so C is 4 is the answer. I don't need to worry about the other two, 6 and 8. So C is my answer, and that's one way to do it. Another way to do this question that would work on a written contest as well as a multiple choice contest is to reason your way through it by learning and understanding divisibility rules. Okay? So imagine this were not the Cayley, this were the Galois, which is the grade 10 written contest, and you actually have to write everything up. And you're not presented with 5 different answers here. You just need to figure out what number or numbers are represented by the box. Okay? How would we go through it? Well, there's 2 little rules that are going to help us. So, 6 has prime factors of 2 and 3. So as long as the number is divisible by 2 and by 3, it'll be divisible by 6. Well, how do I tell if a number is divisible by 2? So you're divisible by 2 if your last digit is even. That's what makes you an even number. And you're divisible by 3 if your digits add up to or sum to a number that is divisible by 3. Okay? For example, 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. 27 is a multiple of 3. This only works with 3 and also with 9. So it doesn't work with, say, 4. Okay, 26 isn't a multiple of 4, even though 2 plus 6 is 8 and a multiple of 4. It only works with 2 and 3. So if we're looking at 52,280 box, we know box has to be even. Okay, that actually rules out answer B, which is 3. But 5 plus, so 3 has to divide 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus box. Okay. Now 5 plus 2 plus 2 is 9, plus 8 is 17. So 17 plus box. What multiples of 3 are there that look like 17 plus something? Well, there's 18, and that would make box equal to 1, but that's not even. 21 is the next multiple of 3, and that would make box equal to 4. Well, that's even, that works. And the last one that would work is 17 plus 7 is 24. And that would make box equal to 7, but again, not an even digit. So there really is only the one answer, and that's box is equal to 4, and that's C. Now you might say, well, all that reasoning took you way longer than the calculator. And you're right. Go with whatever method is faster for you. Okay? If you're able to just work through the numbers and the reasoning really quickly, it might be faster than you, especially if you're sort of fumbling with your digits on your calculator and punching buttons in. On the other hand, you might be very quick with your calculator, in which case, go with your calculator. Use whatever method is faster for you. The only reason I mention this way is, what if it were next week when I'm doing the Galois? How would we do this question? Or what if I forgot my calculator? Okay. And I suppose if you figure out your calculator, you could always do it by hand, try and divide by hand. But I think understanding divisibility rules can be really helpful in the future, and so I wanted to present them here. But that's enough of question number 5. I will see you guys for question number 6 in the next video. Take care.